Hi, welcome to How to Repair. I'm actually in a unique location today, up near Burgos in northern Spain as I'm driving down to Barcelona, and I couldn't help but stop off at this unique location. This is where the final scene of The Good, the Bad, the Ugly was filmed, and this is a cemetery that is being preserved by the local people. The other reason I stopped off here, the food in this area is exquisite, and some of the restaurants that you can eat in are absolutely fantastic. I'll put some links to a couple of places I've eaten at here which are 5-star rating. I can't emphasize how good they are. So let's take you down to the cemetery to have a look. As you all know, I'm on a busman's holiday, travelling all around Europe, visiting appliance manufacturers, and I'm heading down to Barcelona at the moment. But I couldn't help but stop off at Sad Hill Cemetery. A couple of reasons I've actually come here. This film was filmed the year I was born, 1966, and Clint Eastwood shares a birthday with me. He was born in 1930, 31st of May. But this is an absolute stunning location. Although I have not got the weather today, the scenery up here is spectacular. And if you have a look at that mountain range, if the bike didn't have a flat tyre, I would be having a nose up there today. Sad Hill Cemetery was actually created in 1966 as the backdrop to the end of the film, The Good, the Bad, the Ugly. Let's take a tour down and have a look through the graveyard. 250 soldiers built this in approximately 3 days for the actual director of the film. It's a bit slippy. They've had a bit of rain here, as you're most probably all aware on the news. But I have managed to find not only the actual central location, but also, if I come over here, you've got Arch Staton and the unknown. I doubt if there's any money there though.